Throughout history, the dance of fire has captivated our senses, serving not only as a source of warmth but also as an elemental force in culinary artistry. Today, we embark on a journey that transcends the confines of conventional stovetops, exploring the primal techniques of cooking with fire. Join us as we delve into the world of grilling, smoking, and cooking over open flames, and uncover the extraordinary flavors that emerge from these ancient methods. Number 1. The allure of fire in cooking. Fire has been an integral part of human civilization for millennia. From the earliest days of our ancestors huddled around a flame, sharing stories and meals, to modern-day chefs harnessing its power, cooking with fire is as primal as it is essential. The allure of fire lies not only in its ability to cook food but also in the unique flavors it imparts. The smoky aroma of charred meat, the caramelization of vegetables, and the warm glow of a campfire create experiences that transcend the meal itself, bringing people together in celebration of life's simple pleasures. Number 2. Grilling, the art of direct heat. Our first technique, grilling, is perhaps the most accessible form of cooking with fire. Utilizing direct heat, grilling transforms ingredients with a quick, high-temperature cooking method. The Maillard reaction, that beautiful browning effect, enhances flavors and textures, creating a delightful crust on meats and a delicious char on vegetables. Consider the classic steak. When placed on a hot grill, the intense heat sears the exterior, locking in juices while imparting a smoky flavor that cannot be replicated indoors. For those seeking to elevate their grilling game, incorporating marinades or spice rubs can further enhance the experience, adding complexity to the natural flavors released by the fire. Understanding the difference between direct and indirect heat is crucial for successful grilling. Direct heat is ideal for quick cooking items like burgers and hot dogs, while indirect heat is better suited for larger cuts of meat that require longer cooking times, such as whole chickens or briskets. Mastering these techniques will allow you to control the cooking process and achieve perfectly grilled results every time. Number 3. Smoking, a flavorful journey. Next, we venture into the world of smoking, a technique that infuses ingredients with deep, rich flavors over an extended period. Smoking utilizes low temperatures and aromatic wood to transform not just the taste but also the very essence of the food being prepared. The choice of wood is paramount in this process. Hickory lends a robust flavor, mesquite offers a bold smokiness, while fruit woods like apple and cherry provide a subtle sweetness. Each wood variety brings its unique profile, allowing one to experiment and customize flavors to suit individual preferences. Smoking is particularly revered for meats like brisket, ribs, and pork shoulders. The low and slow cooking method breaks down tough connective tissues, resulting in tender, flavorful morsels that are the hallmark of barbecue culture. Pair your smoked creations with homemade sauces or sides to complete the experience. Number 4. Cooking over open flames, the ultimate connection. Finally, we arrive at the most elemental form of cooking, over an open flame. This technique embodies the essence of primal cooking, allowing one to connect with nature in a visceral way. From campfire stews to roasted marshmallows, cooking over an open flame invites spontaneity and creativity into the kitchen. Skewering ingredients and rotating them over the flames not only enhances flavor but also offers a visual feast that engages the senses. The crackling of the fire, the aroma wafting through the air, and the warmth of the flames create an atmosphere of camaraderie and joy. Cooking over an open flame is more than just a method, it is a ritual that strengthens bonds and fosters shared experiences. Whether it's a summer barbecue or a winter campfire, the act of cooking together ignites a sense of community that is both timeless and invaluable. As we conclude our exploration of cooking with fire, we invite you to embrace these techniques in your own culinary endeavors. Whether you choose to grill, smoke, or cook over an open flame, remember that each method offers a unique journey filled with flavors that celebrate the essence of food and the connection it brings. Thank you for joining us on this adventure. May your cooking be as vibrant and dynamic as the flames that inspire it.